Last video about what was I doing? What was I doing with the MIATA? Oh yeah, putting the caliper on. You watched that whole video. I said at the end that I want to do a roll cage in the MIATA and make it a cart, and that's what I'm doing right now. I'm on my way to go get it. I'm getting a 6-point cage. I'll show you that when I get it, so I don't have to explain it. I'm in a clapped out 7.3 right now. But yeah, I'm getting it from ART, Applied Racing Technology. So I'm gonna go grab it. I'll show you it when I get it. All right guys, so I just got the roll cage into the shop. It's right here. Now I know it doesn't look like much right now. So this is the main hoop right here. And then we have the door bars and the, what do you call these? Rear frame. So what it's gonna look like, there's gonna be a main hoop right here. And there's gonna be 2 bars coming off right here. And then on each side, there's gonna be a door bar going diagonal. So yeah, I just bought it as pieces and I'm gonna make it myself. I think Jacob actually wants to do it, so I'm gonna let him do it, I guess, if he wants to. Yeah, so you gotta imagine that's what it's gonna look like. Now, I wanna make this thing street legal. I think I've said that before. Well, with no rear end like this, you don't have tail lights. No tail lights, not street legal. So let me show you what my plan for that is. Okay, so if you see right here, this is just one long LED strip with a trailer connector on the end. So you would typically see these on trucks, like under the tailgate above the bumper as a third brake light and turn signals and whatnot. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take that strip and imagine the cage is here. So there's a hoop right here. The main hoop is right here. I'm gonna run the strip along the top of it, and I'm gonna wire it to the tail lights, the running lights, and the brake lights. And then, like I said, there's gonna be 2 bars coming off the side right here, off the main hoop. I'm gonna put 2 small 8-inch LED bars, or LED strips, from like a motorcycle tail light. That's gonna have brake lights, turn signals, and running lights. So I'm gonna try and figure out how to wire that into the stock harness if I can. Hopefully I can. I think I can. Yeah, let me at least try and wire this up real quick, see if I can get that to work. So to make this a little easier for myself, so I don't have to use a multimeter, see which pin does what, at work I printed out the wiring diagrams of the tail lights, brake lights, all the lights I'm going to be using, and I printed out the connectors, all of them, and I wrote down what does what. So what is this? Green and black is the left-hand rear turn signal, just to make it a little easier for myself. Okay, so I got this kind of rigged up and just a way to see if it works. So I have the light bar, or the light strip right here, the LED strip coming down, all the wires, and I have them just pinned into the back of this connector. This is the tail light connector. So this is actually the connector that comes with the LED strip. And like I said, it's for like a trailer hitch of some sort. So I obviously don't have that, so I just cut it off. So on these though, there's only 4 pins, and the left hand and right hand turn signals are the same wires as the brake lights. So I'll show you what I mean by that. I think it looks fine. I mean, I'm fine with it. So if you look right here, when I turn the running lights on, it comes on. And when I hit the brakes, it gets brighter. Now you see how when I hit the brakes though, both those amber lights go across real quick. That's because, like I said, the turn signals and the brake lights are on the same wire. It's just how it works with one of these connectors right here. But I'm fine with it. I mean, I don't really care. It works right now, so yeah, imagine there's the main hoop right here, and this LED strip is across the main hoop on the back. And when I hit the brakes, lights up like a normal tail light, and then I'm gonna have 2 smaller ones on the sides. So yeah, that's what I'm gonna do for a tail light. I think it looks pretty sick, honestly. I gotta get the cage in, obviously. I want to clean the floors. I wanna, there's a lot of stuff in here, but I wanna get like a wire wheel or a wire brush, clean all this out, all this rust, and paint it so it doesn't keep rusting. So that last clip you saw was actually from yesterday. It's the next day. I'm back at the shop. Jacob and Billy are on their way here. So today we're actually going to work on the roll cage and actually get it installed in the car, partially. Probably not all the way done, but at least get started on it. So, all right, so the first thing we're going to do with the cage is get the main hoop made. So the main hoop is going to sit right here on the shelf. It usually sits down here, but we're going to put it on the shelf. What we're going to do is grind down under here and make a plate that sits perfectly right here. The plates actually, they came with the cage. We just cut them down to fit right here. What you're gonna do is just cut out the plate like I said, put it here, and then the bottom of the main hoop is gonna sit on this one and on this one. And it's gonna come up right here. So I'll show you that when it's, you know, put in place, probably tacked in place. All right, got both the plates welded up right here. One on each side. Now to put the main hoop on.
Oh, what up? Oh, what up?
All right, so anyway, we got the main hoop in right here. Got it completely welded up. Thanks to Nacho Libre over there. Anyway, it's completely solid. All right, chill. Yeah, it's welded on over here. The plates are welded up and everything. So next will be the two bars that come down here, the two door bars, but that'll be another day. So tomorrow I'm getting the 240 tuned, so I don't know how much we're gonna be doing on this. But yeah. You guys, yeah? Okay. All right. Anyway, tomorrow we're getting the 240 tuned, so I'll get back to you guys when I finish this, when we start putting the door bars in and the back bars. So I'll see you then. Okay, so I haven't been filming too much of this, but finally got most of the cage done. Got the main hoop in. Got the two bars coming off the back done. Got the harness bar in right here. It's looking sick. Actually, I just got the harnesses. I know they're really cheap, but oh well, it happens. So, opens up one of these ones. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Got these bright yellow.
Ronald McDonald mobile is what it's gonna be.
Bright yellow Johnnies to go in this thing. But last thing to do is to make these door bars and maybe the diagonal. But I'm pretty sure that's all we're gonna do today because we gotta run to Home Depot, get some stuff for the shop. So yeah, just wanted to throw a quick update in there and show you how it's going, which is going great. Okay, so last you saw, I showed you the roll cage. I'm probably not gonna do any more in this video because we still have to do the roll bars and the diagonal. But tonight, every Monday night, there's actually a car meet over at Quaker Steak that's like a minute from the shop. So I just rigged up the tail light right here. I'll show you that real quick. This is with the running lights on. I couldn't show you, can't really show you the brake lights, but it gets brighter with the brake lights. So I'm gonna take this over to the car meet and see how people react to it. And Jacob's gonna take the Beamer over there. Made this little plate just to go around there, the hood stack. So I'm gonna mount the camera up in here and go to the car meet.
Mine's for sale. It's look at me like I'm crazy.
Yeah, right.
Can I? Watch. You want me to go all the way up there?
All right, front row parking on the curb with the Beamer. Hell yeah. Asked if I could get up on the curb. Can I get up on the curb? Yeah, I can get up on the curb. All right, guys, just left the meet. If you're ever curious, that's the sign, Quaker Steak. They have a meet every Monday, so.
Dude, I gotta get a picture.
Yeah, dude, yeah, for sure. All right, I'll catch you guys when I get back to the shop. All right, guys, so I just left the shop. We got the MIATA and the E36 back in the shop, all safe and sound. That was a good meet overall. Got some good reactions out of some people. I didn't really get to film a lot. I didn't have anywhere to mount the camera on the car. But yeah, that's probably gonna end it for this video. I know the cage isn't done yet, but there's still a little more to do. I'll just make that a separate video. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Make sure you like this video, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next time. See ya.